Welcome back to 99 Reviews, and today I will tell you that downloading iOS 18 beta is good or bad for your iPhone, so don't download it before watching this video. iOS 18 beta has released, and it is around 6.17 GBTEs of update. You can download it by beta version, but there are some bugs. As mentioned by the reputable sources, there are a lot of bugs in this beta update, and you might lose your data. So before downloading this update, follow these steps. Go to iCloud, then open Photos and turn on Sync Photos. Then go to iCloud Gmail, and if it's not turned on, turn it on. After that, go to Cloud Backup and turn on this backup as well. Doing this before update will make your data secure, and you will not lose data on updating to this beta. Now you have to check your storage in general portion if you have sufficient storage. Like I have 15 gigabytes free, it means I can download this 6.17 gigabytes update, so you must have to check your storage first and then update to iOS 18 beta. If you have done all these settings, you can definitely go for the download without any risk. But keep in mind, there would be some bugs in this update, so according to me, wait for the official update and then download it. That's it for the video. For more videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button.